Lily loved to paint. She painted rainbows, castles, and big fluffy clouds. But no matter how hard she tried, her paintings never looked quite as real as she imagined them in her head. One afternoon, while playing in the attic, she discovered an old wooden box covered in dust. Inside was a beautiful paintbrush with golden bristles that shimmered in the sunlight. There was a tiny note tucked beside it. "Paint with your heart, and the world will come to life." Lily's eyes sparkled with excitement. She grabbed the paintbrush and ran to her room. She dipped it into her blue paint and swirled it onto the canvas. As soon as the paint touched the paper, something incredible happened. The paint shimmered and wiggled. Then, in a flash, a real butterfly fluttered out of the painting and into the air. Lily gasped. Did that just come to life? She tried again. This time, she painted a red apple. Right before her eyes, the apple popped off the page and landed on her desk, shiny and real. Lily couldn't believe it. A magic paintbrush. What else could she create? She painted a golden key. The key shimmered, then dropped into her hand. But what does it unlock, she wondered. Then she had an idea. She painted a door. The moment she finished, the door grew larger and larger until it was tall enough for her to step through. Taking a deep breath, Lily turned the golden key and opened the door. On the other side was a world more magical than anything she had ever imagined. Floating islands made of candy, waterfalls that sparkled like diamonds, and talking animals wearing tiny hats. A friendly fox with a tiny blue top hat waved at her. "Welcome, Lily. We've been waiting for you," he said with a bow. "Waiting for me?" Lily asked. "Yes. Only someone with a kind heart can use the magic paintbrush. And our world needs your help." Lily listened as the fox explained that the color in their world was slowly fading. The trees were turning gray, the flowers no longer bloomed, and the sky was losing its sparkle. "I can help," Lily said eagerly. She picked up her brush and painted bright green trees. She painted blooming flowers and a golden sun. As she painted, the colors burst back to life, and the world around her sparkled with magic once again. The animals cheered. Hooray for Lily! Lily spent hours painting, bringing joy and color wherever she went. But as the stars began to twinkle in the sky, she knew it was time to go home. She stepped back through the magic door, back into her room. The door shimmered and slowly faded away. The paintbrush still sat in her hand, glowing softly. She smiled, knowing that the next time she painted, another adventure was waiting just on the other side of the canvas. The end, or maybe just the beginning.